What's up guys, it's Danny, back with another video. Today we are opening up a product I've never used before called the KeySmart Pro. What this does is it organizes your keys in sort of like a Swiss Army knife style, and this particular one, they have the KeySmart and the KeySmart Pro. The Pro has built-in tiles, so in case you lose your keys, you can, with your smartphone, be able to relocate them. So it's very nice. So the product I have is in red. They're available in black, white, red, and like a graphite gray. So that being said, time to upgrade. This is the current layout I have right now for my keys, and I think that's just ridiculous. So I've seen a lot worse, but time to get organized, and that's all what it's about for me with 2019, is being more organized with several things in my life. So with that being said, let's open up the KeySmart Pro. Currently retails for $59.99. Some places you can find it for $49.99. But yeah, this is pretty cool. If I can get it out of the package. It does come with a USB, micro USB rechargeable cable. You do have to recharge the tile, I would say once every 3 months, I believe is what the packaging says. So, but yeah, there's the actual device itself. Very nice. Let's see if I can get that more in focus. Maybe. Come on, Canon. Trying. Canon, I love you, but this camera is gonna get replaced. There you guys go. That's a better view. So there's the front and back. It's made of a nice hard plastic, which is nice. There's the tile right there. So this is probably dead price to be charged, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble the KeySmart right now. And I need an edge, doesn't have to be sharp, just to get these off, so we're gonna do that. And you can use a nickel or whatever, you don't have to use, you know, a knife. That's just all I have on me at the moment. I hear assembly can sometimes be a challenge, but hey, why not go ahead and give it a shot on camera. And the cool thing is, if you have like, I know this holds like 10 keys, I believe. If you have more than 10, they offer an extender that you can add to your KeySmart, which is pretty nice. So you can have, I think 22 keys or something like that. So we got a ton of washers. So what I want to do is just start putting my keys on there. And there's all kinds of accessories you can buy for the KeySmart Pro, as well as regular KeySmart. They've got a key that turns into a knife, so you have a little pocket knife if you need it. They've got this magnet product, which is pretty cool, where you can easily detach, like say, a car key fob from the KeySmart without having to do this ring thing that I'm doing right now, where I'm taking every key off by doing that. So, very nice, very nice. I'm not one to have keychains, honestly, so that's not important to me. I mean, you can put keychains on here if you want to, I'm just not going to for mine. So, and I've got my Planet Fitness card, a Olathe Public Library thing, and Kansas City Library thing on here. So, don't know if I'm gonna put those on the KeySmart. I do want to put the car keys on the KeySmart, however, so for me, I obviously don't need the extension because I don't have that many keys to begin with. So this assembly process shouldn't be too terribly difficult. So what I'm gonna do now is put washers on both sides. Okay. So my first key is gonna go there. Then I want to put a washer in between that. And over here, put this key here, and then a washer And then this other key. Some people were having issues with this. I don't know if I need washers in between the keys, honestly. I think if I just do this, should be okay. We'll try it without washers. Okay. Wasn't there a, yeah, there was, okay. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. This isn't really all that difficult. I'm not sure what people are complaining about. Seems pretty straightforward to me. What I should probably do though is probably layer these. So I should do that with that. See that? And then this key and that key. And then finally this key. And then I want to carefully oh wait, might have to put the cover on top. Yeah, it seems to be going together pretty easily. It's okay, kitty kitty. The cat doesn't like when people slam doors in the apartment complex. She freaks out, which, you know, she's a cat. She doesn't know what's going on. So, I'm gonna spin this until it's tight. All right. So now, I believe my keys don't move. I think I put it on too tight. Okay, hold on. I was wondering if I was gonna do that. Okay. Do they move now? No. Okay, so there's a chance you can always put it on too tight, which is clearly what I've done here. Bruh, there we go. All right, now they're moving. There you go. That is the KeySmart Pro assembled. So, pretty cool. They almost feel too loose now, so I may definitely gonna keep the washers around just in case I might need them. But yeah, let me tighten these up just a little bit more. Sweet, seems to work just fine. Cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and charge it, and I will show you guys the tile portion of this product. Excuse me, I burped. And yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back just a few minutes later. We have the KeySmart Pro installed, no problem. People online were saying this was hard to install. It is so easy to install. Like, I don't understand what the difficulty was in installing this. This is incredibly easy to do. There's a little like 30-second video by KeySmart themselves showing you how to install it. I mean, it's incredibly easy. All you gotta do is make sure that these are lined up perfectly, you know? It's not hard. Once you got that done, then you have to make sure that you have an even amount of balance on either side of the KeySmart itself. That way it's not all lopsided looking. It's very easy. These washers here are for that. So I've got 2 washers on this side because I have an extra key on this side. It's level, it's even, it just works. I don't understand the frustrations that people are having with the KeySmart Pro. It's totally fine. I love this product, so definitely recommend it. That being said, let's go ahead and set up tile, which I have not done yet. So we're gonna go over here to tile. Where'd I put tile? Did I move it already? I may have already moved it. Kiki. There it is. Tile's right here at the top, so I did move it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up tile real quick. We're gonna add a tile, and we're gonna select the KeySmart Pro. And let's see, click the tile button to begin activation. It'll play a nice tune. So we're gonna do that right now. Sorry if you can't see the screen on the phone, but it's more focused on the KeySmart anyway. Hi, kitty. You hear meowing. All right, place the KeySmart Pro next to your phone. That's what we're doing now. Hi, Kiki. There we go. Sweet, tile activated. Okay, tap find to ring your tile. I like that. That's so cool. So as you can see, the tile's ringing. And then when you found it, you hit done on the app. All right, and then go premium, get more. So you can do, there's a premium option for tile, which I will not worry about right now. But yeah, so there we go. So now I can find my key. So cool. I love it. All right, they're gonna keep advertising Tile Premium until I subscribe, clearly. So I believe now I can find my phone as well if I hit the tile button. One other thing I want to point out on the tile that I did not mention is that it has a built-in flashlight. So the button right here on top of the tile, or on top of the key, I keep calling it the tile. One thing I want to point out about the Key Smart is the flashlight. So above the tile button on the Key Smart is a flashlight button. So there you go. Not very bright, but hey, in a pinch, if you ever need a flashlight, like, you know, trying to unlock something you can't see, which has happened to me more than once, now you got a flashlight on your Key Smart. So there you go, guys. Very easy, very simple to set up. I'm gonna go ahead and go charge it because it's not charged all the way. You do have to charge this once every 3 months, like I said earlier in the video, so not a big deal. So I actually figured it out. You tap the tile button twice on the Key Smart. So that button right there, tap it twice. It rings your phone. So cool. And then I'm gonna use Face ID and turn off the, okay, it's off. Cool. So thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate your love and support, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.